Happy dad? Dog. Gentle kisses. Kisses again. What are you doing? You're so sweet, Oliver. Are you a booster? You want kisses? She did a poo? What are you guys doing? You like the tree? What is that? What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing? Kisses again? I think she's eating your millet. You want kisses again? You just want kisses? Are you a happy boy? What is that? I know. Are you a booster? She's doing a poo? I don't know. She's up on the cage. Do you like Sophia? Where's Sophia? What is that? Yeah? Are you happy, boy? Yeah? Are you done with yours? Where's my kisses? What's wrong? What are you doing? Sophia? Come on. Want to play ball with Oliver? There. Where'd Sophia go? Where'd Sophia go? I know you didn't like her in your cage, but I got her out. I got her. Come see Mama. Okay. You did it. Good girl. That was very good. What are you doing? Sophia, what are you doing? Wow. She doesn't look amused, Oliver. What's she doing, Sophia? Sophia's good.